Everyone, this is Nicholas Acosta and welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about Jonathan Mosen's book. It's actually not a book, it's an audio tutorial that was just released today. For those of you that aren't subscribed to the Mosen Consulting announcements newsletter, I am going to talk about it on my YouTube channel, and the name of the audio tutorial is called The Secret Sauce of Savvy Research. Yes, the secret sauce of savvy research. So I'm on the Mosen Consulting website right now. I'm on mosen.org. That's where you can get the book from. That's MOSEN.org. And you can purchase this book for just $35 US. So the book is available for download. Like I said, this was just posted today. And we are going to go and take a look at it. So I'm on the page. Let me just go onto the website here, onto the page. And this is the title. This is the actual page. Now, for those of you who are wearing headphones, I recommend that you wear headphones because unfortunately you might not hear voiceover. I'm using the voiceover screen reader on the iPhone to demonstrate this, to advertise this awesome material that Jonathan puts together for all of us. And so if you want to hear voiceover, I'm going to let voiceover speak. For those of you who can see, you're going to see a black ring, which is known as the voiceover cursor, and you're going to see that moving through the text here. But if you have headphones, or if you have this hooked up to a Bluetooth speaker, or if you're listening to this on a computer, if you're listening to this on an iPad or an iPhone or a Mac or a PC, whatever device you're listening to this on, whatever tablet, just either plug in a set of headphones or put up the volume. That way you can hear voiceover. All right. So this is a 2-hour audio course, and of course, their MP3 files that you download, of course, they're in a zip file, and there are 2 versions to download. But I will get to that in a moment, and we're going to talk about what the book, what you get in this tutorial. A clear explanation on how Google search does what it does. Making Google your default engine in Microsoft Edge. Basic searching from the keyboard. Voice searching on your Mac and PC. The advantages of searching through let me see, let me read that again. The advantage of searching Google when you're logged in to a Google account and how to use it optimally. How to configure it optimally. Excuse me. Using Google's advanced search form. So basically, these are advanced searches from the search bar and things like that. So working with Google utilities from the address bar for accessing specific information. Google's vertical search engines. I've never heard of that, and I think I'm going to purchase Jonathan's tutorial pretty soon. Creating Google Alerts. And a lot more. So you might want to download this tutorial. Now we're in the audio formats right now. The secret sauce of savvy search is So the secret sauce of savvy search is available to download after you purchase in MP3 format. So you can use PayPal to make the purchase, or if you don't have now this is easy. This is much easier than having to enter in your card information. So I use PayPal, but you can also, if you don't have PayPal, you can still enter it in automatically. Now, 2 versions, like I said, are going to be available. Once you purchase this tutorial, you'll be able to download whatever you can download. Now, there are 2 of them that you're going to be able to download. So you'll be able to unlock, once you purchase the tutorial, you'll be able to download whatever one you want. So this is the first one where they're short MP3 files that are labeled correctly and that are tagged, and then you'll get an M3U playlist as well. The second one is the course's MP3 file. You get one large MP3 file. And like I said before, one purchase unlocks both downloads. How much is it? So basically, the secret sauce of savvy search can be yours for just $35. And a lot of these audio tutorials that you will find nowadays, are so much money. At Mosen Consulting, Jonathan tries to keep the prices down, but of course, these tutorials can't be free. Nothing is free. And so we need to support Jonathan with everything that he does. Because, people have to eat. People have to pay rent. And so this is something that Jonathan is doing for us. And so I must say, if you purchase this material, please, whatever you do, do not go around giving it to friends and people that you know who might be interested, because it takes Jonathan a very, very long time to put these tutorials together. And so we need to support Mosen Consulting. We need to support him and his company. So please, whatever you do, do not go around spreading this material around, because it's not gonna help Jonathan. I just want to say personally, Jonathan, you've done a wonderful job with these tutorials, and especially your iOS 11 without the I book. I downloaded that. I've been downloading those books since iOS 10. So I have I bought 2 of those books so far. For those of you who remember, on my channel, I also did Meet Me in the Cloud, an accessible guide to Zoom cloud meetings. I did a review on that. I also did Become an Amadeus Pro Maestro with basically that was an audio editor that Jonathan did. Amadeus Pro is a Mac application that allows you to it's a multi-track editor, so it allows you to record either from the microphone or you can record vinyls or cassettes and digitize them. You might want to go to Mosen.org and click on the Mosen Consulting store and just look at the content that he has available here. And you're also going to see in the Mosen Consulting store that he just he's been doing a podcast called it's a podcast that he just launched, and basically it's a subscription. The fiber podcast that he does this podcast, and it's only $5 a month, and it's a subscription, and you'll have premium access to his podcast. So just please take a look at what he has to offer, and we will see you next time for another YouTube video. Thank you.